toy. Rusted bolts! The tunnels collapsed and our... Super duper! Excellent! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Pick any toy you like. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Left leads to the Great Waterton Station's coming up. Right leads to the Left leads to... We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? Well done! That was off the rails! Which toy will you choose now? Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to the lava quarry. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Excellent! Great! We all love your train set. Choose a new toy. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Run to Brendam Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Good job! Super! Great! We're always happy to help. Which toy will you choose now? Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Which way do you want to go? Left lead. Let's go to the big bridge. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. That was so much fun! Choose a new toy! It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Good job! Just slice or tap it to open. Where to now? Forward leads to the pig farm. The tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Super! Thanks for helping out! That's the way! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... Left leads to... McCall's farm. McCall's farm is coming up. That's perfect. Forward leads to the town square. We're almost at the town square. Right leads to Cannonball Curve. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Right leads to Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or excellent. Excellent.